Your LLM returned prose. Your pipeline just crashed. Let's fix that. The strongest defense is API-level schema enforcement. OpenAI's parse method constrains the model at the token level, making malformed responses nearly impossible. Anthropic's tool use achieves the same effect. Always enable provider-native enforcement before writing any custom parsing code. This one change eliminates the majority of schema violations. Enforcement alone is not bulletproof. Validate parsed output against your schema using Pydantic or Zod. When validation fails, retry with the error included in the prompt. Tell the model exactly what field was wrong and what was expected. This feedback loop dramatically improves success rates. Cap retries at 2 to 3 attempts with exponential backoff. Even with enforcement, prompt design matters. Include your exact schema in the system prompt with a concrete example of a valid response. This gives the model a template to match and reduces ambiguity on the first pass. Always plan for total failure. After exhausting retries, log the raw response for debugging, return a sentinel value your downstream code can handle, and trigger your monitoring alerts. Never silently swallow unparsable output. Layer your defenses. API schema enforcement, prompt examples, validated retries, and graceful degradation. Follow for more AI engineering content. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.